Hey there, it's Anna. Ever notice how some guys seem to do almost nothing, yet women flock to them? Now, they're not wizards, they just know something crucial that flies under the radar. Today, we're going to unpack the paradoxical success of men who ignore women and why it works. We will dive into the psychology behind this counterintuitive approach, but most crucially, I'll give you the practical strategies to implement these tips in a way that feels authentic and very effective. And by the end of this video, you will understand the fine line between disinterest and allure. Ready to join the top 1%? Let's get into it. Confidence in scarcity. The most desired men are those who aren't always within easy reach, which paradoxically draws others closer. They understand that being too accessible can actually lessen their allure. And to implement this in your own life, it's not about playing hard to get, but genuinely being hard to get because you are invested in your own life. It's about developing your passions, career, and personal growth, which organically makes your time a valuable commodity. When dating, this translates into a compelling presence. Your time is a privilege, making each moment spent with you more precious. Mystery and intrigue. Men who leave a little to the imagination provoke a magnetic curiosity. They share enough to keep the conversation flowing, but leave enough unsaid to inspire a quest for deeper understanding. Implementing this doesn't mean becoming secretive. It's about letting someone get to know you at a natural pace, which builds anticipation and interest. And on dates, answer questions truthfully, but leave space for follow-ups. Tease future stories about your adventures and express your thoughts in a way that invites further inquiry. Focus on ambition. A man focused on his ambitions is compelling. It shows that he values himself and his goals, which in turn increases his value in others' eyes. So to adopt this, concentrate on your objectives and let your actions speak to your commitment. Let your date see the excitement that you have for your goals, because this focus is attractive. It signals to a potential partner that you are capable of deep commitment and are not looking for someone to complete you, but rather to complement your life. Selective attention. Attention is a currency in the economy of attraction. The top 1% of men are astute investors, giving their attention fully but selectively. To do the same, be present during interactions, listen intensely, respond thoughtfully, and engage with genuine interest. When apart, don't feel pressured to maintain constant contact. The communications you do have should be substantive and authentic, not just space fillers. This approach makes the moments you do connect more impactful, as quality interaction is always more memorable than quantity. Emotional self-reliance. The top 1% of men are islands of emotional stability. Their sense of self-worth is internal, not dependent on external validation. In the dating world, this translates to a partner who isn't clingy or needy and whose mood isn't swayed by every little shift in the relationship. So to embody this, you must invest in understanding and regulating your emotions. When you are emotionally self-reliant, you project a confidence that's incredibly enticing. This doesn't mean you are indifferent, but rather that your happiness is your own responsibility first. Passion-driven lives. Men who are driven by their passions have a spark that's hard to ignore. They pursue their interests with zeal, which often attracts others. So implement this by diving into your interests and sharing your enthusiasm without needing others to partake in them. On dates, discuss your passions with Vigure and encourage her to share hers. This shared excitement can create a dynamic and electric connection, making you all the more appealing because your life is rich and engaging with or without a partner. Social proof. The top tier men are often observed in their element, socializing and captivating those around them. This third-party validation is a powerful signal of desirability. To harness this, cultivate meaningful friendships and social connections. Be a good friend, an active listener, and an engaging conversationalist. When you are seen surrounded by friends and respected by peers, it naturally elevates your status in the eyes of potential partners, making your attention more coveted. Challenge and achievement. Men who tackle challenges head-on display a determination and capability that can be irresistibly attractive. They are not boasting about their accomplishments, they're too busy actually achieving them. To apply this principle, set goals and take on challenges, whether in your career, your personal life, or even in physical fitness. Celebrate your achievements privately and let the results speak for themselves. This silent confidence is a strong draw because it shows that you are capable and purpose-driven, qualities that suggest a strong partner. Grounded in reality. Men who stand out in the dating scene often do so because they eschew the smoke and mirrors in favor of authentic connections. They ignore petty games and communicate openly and honestly. To integrate this into your dating approach, strive to be genuine in your interactions. Show genuine interest in knowing her as a person rather than as a conquest. This authenticity is refreshing and attractive as it's built on trust and emotional honesty. Key ingredients for a strong connection. Respectful boundaries. Top-tier men know their worth and show it by setting and enforcing personal boundaries. Now, this isn't about being aloof, but about having a clear sense of what is acceptable to you and what isn't. To implement this, communicate your boundaries clearly and with respect. When you value your own time and space, it encourages others to treat you with equal respect. And this level of self-respect and the respect for her boundaries, in turn, amplifies your appeal. Quality over quantity. The few who have mastered the art of attraction prioritize the depth of connection over a breadth of fleeting encounters. Instead of spreading themselves thin, they invest in people and forge meaningful relationships. Apply this by focusing on quality dates where you can really engage with her on a deeper level, rather than numerous shallow meetings. These profound interactions signal that you are someone interested in more than just the surface, making you a more enticing and substantial prospect. Non-validation seeking. The most successful men in dating don't look for outside validation, they validate themselves. Their confidence is inherent and doesn't waver with the tides of opinion. So you can adopt this attitude by celebrating your own achievements and recognizing your own worth without needing someone else to confirm it. When you exude this type of security, it's inherently attractive because it signals emotional stability and maturity. Purpose before pleasure. In the realm of dating, the top 1% of men are those who demonstrate that they are driven by long-term goals, and of course, a sense of purpose beyond immediate gratification. Their dedication to a larger cause or a personal mission is inherently attractive, as it speaks to a strength of character and a disciplined mindset. To embody this in your own life, identify what you are passionate about and commit to it. Show that you are someone who can delay short-term pleasure for long-term gains, and you will exude the kind of stability that is magnetic. Commanding presence. A commanding presence isn't about domination, it's about the quiet confidence that resonates from someone who is secure and content in themselves. Now, these men don't always need to be the life of the party. They have an impact simply by just being in the room. So to harness this, work on your self-assurance and practice mindfulness. When you speak, do so with purpose and listen intently. This respectful, powerful presence commands attention without demanding it, creating a compelling aura of desirability. Natural leaders. Women are often drawn to men who aren't just part of the crowd, but who chart their own course. A natural leader isn't necessarily the loudest person in the room. They are someone others look to because they have vision and conviction. So to adopt this trait, focus on making decisions confidently and taking initiative, whether in planning a date or steering a conversation. Leadership isn't about control, but also inspiring confidence and creating a safe space for others to join this journey. Understanding attraction dynamics. The top 1% understand that attraction is not a constant chase, but a rhythm of push and pull. By recognizing that healthy space allows for desire to grow, they become more attractive as they are not always readily available. So to implement this, balance your interactions with space for her to miss you and to think about you. It's not about playing hard to get, but about giving the relationship room to breathe. And remember, attraction thrives in the space where connection is desired, not in the saturation of constant contact. Selective vulnerability. It's a common misbelief that men who ignore women are always emotionally distant. In truth, the top 1% of men are selectively vulnerable. They understand that sharing personal struggles or doubts in a controlled and honest manner can enhance intimacy. They create a space where vulnerability is shared as a treasured secret, enhancing trust. So you can apply this by being cautious with whom and when you share your deeper thoughts and emotions, making such exchanges more impactful and meaningful in the dating scene. Self-improvement focus. The allure of the top 1% also comes from their relentless pursuit of personal growth. Instead of actively seeking a partner, they invest time in improving themselves, whether it's physical fitness, intellectual growth, or emotional intelligence. This dedication naturally attracts others who value growth and health. So to mirror this, focus on your personal development. Engage in activities that challenge and interest you. The confidence and skills you gain will be inherently attractive. You've unlocked why the top 1% of men choose to play it cool, but there's more to learn in the game of attraction. For verbal cues, check out things girls say when they like you, or to decode nonverbal hints, how to read her body language when she's attracted to you. This will be your next watch. Thanks for sticking with us. Make sure you like, leave your comments down below, and subscribe. See you soon.